Family office is a pretty dynamic environment. We're providing services to family members as well as their interests. We spend a lot of time reporting and a lot of time making sure that all of our accounting processes are efficiently balancing what the family needs. I'm Janet Welch. I'm the Chief Financial Officer at the DFO. Our previous solution prior to Sage Intacct was within the QuickBooks space, and that brought pain to everyone involved. Sage Intacct has allowed us to streamline our accounts payable process in a significant way. We've enhanced our controls, we've increased our efficiency, and we're just operating in a more lean fashion, and everyone's happier. From a reporting perspective, having all the information in one system has just been huge. Prior to Sage Intacct, our consolidation was done outside of the system in a very heavily manual/Excel-based model. Now within Sage Intacct, for whatever period I select, for whatever entity group I select, I can see what that consolidated balance sheet looks like. In addition, we're also spending more time analyzing and actually digging into the numbers that we see and doing what I would call that core accounting and finance responsibilities that we weren't able to do before because we were literally just taking data in and out of systems. My role as the CFO within the organization has changed quite dramatically since we've rolled out Sage Intacct. I'm able to manage the processes in a way that I just couldn't before. Today I have my pulse on everything that's happening, and I'm actually able to answer questions, to manage processes, to make sure people are doing what they need to do because I know that they either are or they aren't. And for that aspect, as a CFO, that means a lot.